Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Virgos. This is your daily love reading, Virgos. Let's see what's coming up. I'll be picking 3 cards from this deck, guys. Okay. Okay, Virgos. So, these cards give a very positive energy, guys. Okay, some kind of huge change is happening. Okay, some kind of important message or announcement is coming very soon for what you had been waiting till now. Okay, so some kind of communication, okay, it's reaching you, and you may need to take advice from your friends. You may want to take advice from your friends or your family, okay, regarding that situation, regarding that message, okay, what is happening. Okay, so that is the energy I'm getting here, guys. Or you may give suggestions or counsel to your person or your family, okay, regarding something very important. Okay, so that is the energy. Or maybe you're communicating with your children, giving them counsel, okay, or vice versa. Okay, or you're talking, you're gossiping about something. Okay, that may also be the energy here. And you may be getting a very important message, I was saying. It may be a promotion also. If it was work, regarding your work, you may get a promotion also. Or if it is in your relationship, your person may come and propose to you, or you may move in with your person. Okay, you are making a big move today. Some kind of decisions are happening today. Okay, some dynamic changes are taking place today, guys. Some kind of announcement, news, some kind of new information, or you may be getting a visitor. Okay, some friends or family, they may be visiting you today. So that is the energy I'm getting here. Let me pick out 3 more cards, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Virgos, what is coming up for Virgos? Step into light. Or you may be spending some time alone, guys. So that is also the energy I'm getting here. Okay, step into light, be strong. Okay, be discerning. Okay, guys, can you see the cards? Yeah. Okay, okay, Virgos. You're a person who does not want to simply follow others' direction. Okay, you want to make choices on your own. You want to make unique choices. Okay, guys. So at the same time, you want to understand what you want to achieve. Okay, so based on that, you have to make your choice, guys. You should be fully aware of what are your needs. Okay, and you should think before you make your choices, guys. That is very important. You should judge your what to say, choices. Okay, even in smaller things, whatever you do, you should be clearly aware of the results. Okay, and act wisely. Okay, with confidence. And every dark tunnel has a light, guys. So whatever problems we are facing today, okay, it is not going to last forever. So at the end of the tunnel there is always light, guys. So you just have to be aware of that, and overcome all the hurdles. You have to um, view your troubles as temporary, okay, and understand them and face them, thinking of that. Don't You don't have to lose your confidence. You need to uh, stay strong, okay, and steadfast, uh, okay, to achieve your goals, whatever you want to manifest, okay. So you need strength for that. You have to be very strong for yourself. This may be your energy or your person's energy, okay. There may be some kind of situation, guys, but overall I see a happy energy, some kind of new announcement, okay. Even if it is a negative announcement, you don't have to worry. You just have to stay strong, okay, and face your challenges. You can take suggestions from your friends, okay, and family. It will help you in the long run, okay, Virgos. You need to be strong to face your challenges, okay. And maybe this is a situation for your person, okay. You have to be strong for them, support them, maybe. So this is the energy I'm getting here. uh, and something, some happy announcement is coming your way, guys. That is the energy here, overall energy, okay. So there's nothing to be bothered about today, Virgos. So you need to stay strong and focused, okay, aware of the choices you're making in your life, okay. Even day to day choices affect the result, guys. So whatever we make, when we make conscious choices today, we will surely reach our goals, okay. When we are on the right path, we will reach our destination, guys. So that is the energy I'm getting here. So you, even in smaller things, you should be able to make conscious choices, guys. And some happy announcement is coming your way. That is the energy here, okay. Some event or message, what you were waiting so long, okay, it's happening today. And you may share your thoughts or ideas or counsel with someone, or someone is sharing their thoughts and counsel with you, okay. Some kind of communication is happening today, okay. So that is all, guys, Virgos. I'll see you all tomorrow. Virgos, I gave out a slogan yesterday. If you like it, please comment, guys. I'll be giving out slogans every day, okay. It can be used as a happy intention, guys. You just have to meditate for a few minutes and it will help you a lot every day. So if you like it, please comment, okay. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye.